Sige, I'll respond to that. Sinama niya yon kasi nga, because of the confidentiality, hindi mo malalaman kung totoo o hindi. Pero kung ililip mo nga naman yon, hindi ka na makapagsinungaling kasi madaling tingnan yung deposits mo sa bangko. Yun ang reason kung bakit.
And the term fraud,
The terms what?
the term fraud
Fraud.
includes what, sir?
O di lahat ng klaseng pandaraya, lahat ng klaseng pagtatago.
So, for example, sir, in recent memory, no, halimbawa sa Salen,
Yeah.
there's an allegation perhaps of a false declaration or dishonest declaration. Pwedeng ipasok yun doon sa
Oh,
fraud?
syempre. Dishonesty is fraud.
Uh-huh.
That's another term for dishonesty. Fraud.
So, pwede, sir.
Yeah.
So, kung halimbawa, sir, we come across mga ganun naman mga cases na sabihin does not reflect the salary of a particular government official does not reflect the actual and real net worth, pwedeng when this is passed, when such is passed, pwede pumasok doon.
Pwedeng pumasok sa tax amnesty. Ay,
Ganun
kung
ba yun?
fraud di po pwede.
Pwedeng i-lift yung bank secrecy.
Pwede yan. Depende kung ano yung batas na ipapasa nila, kung ipapasok nila yan.
Do you think
Kung i-exclude nila, hindi kasama. So, palaging sa Congress pa rin yun.
But of course, the policy direction is that the government wants honesty, right?
Oh, yes.
Will Congress follow?
Oh, then we have members of the Congress as honorable and responsive to the needs.
You think?
Bakit ba? Mukhang wala ka ng tiwala sa
Hindi,
mga
I'm asking for proof, sir.
member of you're asking for proof. Members of Congress, media, especially Joseph Morong, is suspicious.
Okay, yun naman muna, sir.
Is unpersuaded.
Sir, pasok yung Salen, di ba? Sa fraud?
Pwede pumasok yan.
Kasi violation of the 6713 yun, right?
Pwede pumasok yan, but depende sa Congress kung anong ilalagay nila ron.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ina.
Sir, how much of a priority will this be, having the President push for the lifting of the bank secrecy provision? Is he going to make a public appeal to his allies in Congress to prioritize this?
I think he has already made his position on the matter, so it's for Congress to respond.
Sir, how confident are you that lawmakers will respond positively, considering, for example, kung pasok nga yung SALN, just recently, di ba, ang gusto nga nila, sir, ang SALN i-release lang upon approval of all members. The plenary, rather.
We are confident that members of Congress will fulfill their duty to the Filipino people as mandated by the Constitution, which is they should be honest in all dealings, and they should pursue a policy of accountability and transparency in the realm of governance.